Rear sets, among the three support points together with the handlebar and the seat, play a fundamental role in riding a motorcycle. That is why the possibility to adjust their position according to one's morphology and riding style represents an aspect that should not be underestimated in terms of riding pleasure and performance. Only some motorcycles, mostly top-of-the-range supersport bikes, offer the chance to adjust the rear sets. Thanks to this aftermarket product, this opportunity is now extended to a wide range of models. If we look at the extensive Lightech catalogue, it turns out that specific focus is once again given to the rear sets. They have constantly evolved over the years thanks to the Lightech experience on track, gained in close collaboration with professional top teams, as well as on road, because of thousands of kilometers of tests. From the design of the prototype development to the production, all the processes take place inside the Lightech headquarters in Veneto, Italy, and each model is available in 3 configurations, all made of ERGAL 7075. The standard version comes with magnesium heel guards, along with fixed foot pegs and toe pegs. The W variant features instead magnesium heel guards, fixed toe pegs, and folding foot pegs. Last but not least, the R model features carbon fiber heel guards with a white R logo, folding foot pegs and toe pegs, titanium bolts, and the prestigious SKF bearings. A special mention deserves the possibility to install the rear sets without modifying any element of the motorcycle. This aspect represents a real advantage, especially for the latest generation of motorcycles, which feature ABS, traction control, and further electronic functions. All the rear sets can be customized on individual customer request. Furthermore, in the event of an impact, the customer is not obliged to replace the complete rear sets, since Lightech can supply all the spare parts for its range of accessories.